the sea. What did I think my life would be? You're in the Navy, married to the ocean, heading back to sea. Far away from you I am too often, also lonely too. My job's not easy with you being away, and you think I don't love you, but I do. Without you, when you get back, we can start over again. In my arms I'll try to create a life you want with me. But for now, you live on the ocean with angry seas. Your ship sails to foreign lands, they say, so America can be free. But riding the edge of the ocean is a dangerous thing, I know. When power's on high, a dangerous man with no one to love. So in riding the waves of the deep blue sea, my only thoughts are of getting you back. Days turn to weeks, weeks into months too long. I'm so far from you, my heart grows weaker each month without you. Our president keeps you sailing around and around the Arabian Sea. In total despair, sailors feel lost in a tree. No other nation cares about us in this unnecessary war. I know you find yourself asking, why did you join? So you sail to the ocean's edge where our heartaches grow, longing for your touch every moment where the warm winds blow. But orders come down and my heart breaks for us again. For the love of the Navy, I feel lost without you. When you get back home, we'll start over again. And in my arms I'll try to create a better life for us to start anew. But for now you live out on the ocean, plowing the deep blue seas. Somewhere at the edge we'll find a place for you and me. You join the Navy to defend our great land and defend our ships at sea. I never thought you'd spend your entire life at sea because of one man who keeps you away from me. My pain is too great to bear, but that man in the Oval Office doesn't care. So here I am, the wife of a sailor, with dreams being home with you, living out on the ocean where the waves crash so blue. And every day the ocean takes one or two more home to the bottom of the sea. I'm caught between you, my love, and your life on the sea. With the waves as my whisperers, I just have memories. through the storms and seas. Your voice I often hear. I hope you can plot a chart for home, soon to be. As I sail through the ocean.